It's time to do the headlights on our GMC here. This one's dim, doesn't even match the other one. They're old, they're tired, they're cracked. We're going to take them out, we're going to put in something new and modern. Now these are LED lights, and the nice thing about that is that they are a lot brighter than your original ones, but they pull less power and they don't generate as much heat. Since they pull less power, if you leave your lights on, the chances of you killing your battery in no time at all is a lot less. Now these are just going to install right in the same spot, just like your other ones do. Let me show you how to install them in no time at all. One of the things that you want to note when you're taking off something like this is that you want to take off your lower screws first and then your upper screws. If you were to take your upper screws off and then you were having a problem with your lower screw, it was rusted in or something, and it fell forward, it would break. But if the screw is in the top, it'll just hang there and you can take your lowers out easily. Also on these ones, don't forget there's a little screw right here. I always forget that little bugger. Now once your bezel is off, taking this guy off, there's 3 little screws on here and they're really small, so you got to keep your fingers up on here because they will bounce out and they're going to get lost pretty easy. And I don't know what it is about those little screws, but they're really hard to find for some reason. Again, we're taking the screws out of the bottom first so that it doesn't fall forward on us and give us any problems and bend up the little chrome piece that holds your light in. Also, when you're buying your headlights, take a look at these little chrome guys because they are typically old and unattractive, and you're going to want to get new ones on there too to go with your new light. Now once I get this guy off, I can pull that out, and be careful, you don't want to chafe any of your wires back there. So you'll note that this has 3 plugs right here, and this has 3 plugs. So it basically matches right on up. You want to put a little bit of dielectric grease on there. That just helps keep corrosion away and keep your contact up. And this is just going to plug right in. Go ahead and tuck that back there, nice and neat. And then you'll want to rotate this around, and you'll find that it fits right into a slot. That's how you know that you have it in correctly. When you're putting in your chrome piece here, you're going to go with your upper screws first, and you're doing that for the same reason why you took it out. So just get that guy up there, get your chrome ring on top, screw it back in, put your bezel back on, and you are all done. So give me a second with this and I'll show you how nice and bright these look when I'm done. So look at the clarity of that. Look at the brightness of that. Compare it to this. Now, grant you, this one's a little old and this one's a little tired, but even when it was brand new, it still didn't look that good. I'm going to go ahead and switch this out. Now, you guys be sure and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm on there and I'm doing these videos every single day to get your truck back on the road.